All right, welcome you guys. Today is what we need to have watched for day 12. So I think you may have already done lesson 54. I think you may have rearranged some of the lessons, but lesson 54, just to recap, was rate word problems. There may have been 3 lessons in one video, which is fine. Again, just set up your rate and your actuals. Here, come up with your rule. And then you'll be able to calculate. So we did the pay per hour to figure out after 30 hours how much money are you going to make. And then today, lesson 55, we're looking at average and rate problems with multiple steps. So continuing on with that concept that we covered in lesson 54. So example 1, the average of 3 numbers is 17. What is their sum? Okay, well, we know that the sum, if it's 3 numbers, whatever that total was divided by 3 equals 17. So we can work backwards from that and say, well, 17 times 3 equals 51. So we don't know what the 3 numbers are. It could be 51, 0, and 0 for all we know. Or it can be 16, 17, 18, 10, 11, and 30. We don't know what the 3 numbers are, but we know what their sum has to be. It has to be 51, because 51 divided by 3 to give us an average of 17. The average of 4 numbers is 25. If 3 of the numbers are 16, 26, and 30, what is the 4th number? So we can set this up. We know the average is 25. Symbol means average. 3 numbers were given 16, 26, 30. Let's just use n for number. Okay, so we set up an equation. We know these 4 numbers, the total comes out to be divided by 4 has to equal 25. Okay, and we go through, we multiply both sides by 4. Sorry about it. 25 times 4. So we're left with 16 plus 26 plus 30 plus the number equals 100. Then from there, we can add these 3 numbers together. Since they're all like terms, we can add them together. So we have 72 plus our number equals 100 minus 72 from both sides, and we end up with 28. Okay, so we know the 4 numbers have to total up to be 100, because 100 divided by 4 is 25. Okay, we got that average from the word problem itself. Okay, so we add up the 3 numbers we're given, subtract it from both sides. In this case, it was 72 minus 72 minus 72, and that gave us the number we were looking for. Okay, so just start filling in the information that you know, and then work backwards from there. Let's look at example 4. Tyrone is buying refreshments for the next math club meeting. Woohoo, math club. Brand A cranberry juice is on sale for $3.20 for a 64 ounce bottle. Brand B costs $1.19 for a 17 ounce bottle. Which brand is better to buy? Assuming that we're worried about price and not nutrition facts or quality or taste or anything like that. We just want to know which one's the better buy. And we would do $3.20 divided by 64 ounces. This was price. This was ounces. So that comes out to be 0.05 per ounce. Okay, so it's 5 cents per ounce for this brand, brand A. Brand B was $1.19 for 17. Okay, so we then divide this, and that's going to give us our price per ounce. Okay, so this one is, we do this division, and it gives us 0.07, so 7 cents per ounce. So in just looking at price alone, the better one would be brand A because it's only 5 cents per ounce. We're saving 2 cents per ounce versus the other brand B, which is 7 cents per ounce. All right, example 5. Brenda has 2 part-time jobs. During 1 week, she worked 20 hours at the bookstore for $8.10 per hour and 16 hours as receptionist for $9 per hour. How much did she earn at the bookstore? And we would do 20 hours times $8, so 8.1 is 162. Receptionist, she did 16 hours at $9 an hour is $144. Total earnings 162 plus 144 is 306. And then what was her average rate of pay of the week? So combining both jobs, she worked 20 and 16 hours, so she earned $306. Divided by 20 plus 16, she worked 36 hours, so $8.50 would be her average worker pay. Practice that we'll go over as a class when we get there. So keep plugging along, you guys. Come to Math Lab if we don't have enough time in class to get to all the questions you have. I'm there to help. But good job watching these videos, and we'll keep moving along.